Do not feel lonely, the entire universe is inside you. Lovers don't finally meet somewhere, they're in each other all along. There are 1,000 ways to kneel and kiss the ground. There are 1,000 ways to go home again. There are 1,000 ways to kneel and kiss the ground. There are 1,000 ways to go home again. Raise your words, not voice. It is rain that grows flowers, not thunder. This place is a dream, only a sleeper considers it real. Then death comes like dawn, and you wake up laughing at what you thought was your grief. Would you become a pilgrim on the road of love? The first condition is that you make yourself humble as dust and ashes. You are not a drop in the ocean, you are the entire ocean in a drop. If the foot of the trees were not tied to the earth, they would be pursuing me, for I have blossomed so much, I am the envy of the gardens. Stop acting so small, you are the universe in ecstatic motion. Don't be satisfied with stories, how things have gone with others. Unfold your myth. Why do you stay in prison when the door is so wide open? The prophets accept all agony and trust it, for the water has never feared the fire. Your depression is connected to your insolence and refusal to praise. Yesterday I was clever, so I wanted to change the world. Today I am wise, so I am changing myself. Everything that is made beautiful and fair and lovely is made for the eye of one who sees. Ignore those that make you fearful and sad, that degrade you back towards disease and death.